Hello everyone, Tech Aid TV here. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the defective printhead of this HP SmartTank 520 printer. And this is now the new printhead that we were going to use to replace the defective color printhead of this unit. And without further ado, let's start to run a print quality check in order for me to show you the actual printout issue of this unit. So as we notice here, the cyan and yellow are not visible on its printout output, even we've done performing the printhead cleaning maintenance. Therefore, we need to replace new color printhead in order to fix the cyan and yellow printout issue of this unit. I suggest to use M0H50AA original HP printhead for this HP SmartTank 520 printer in order to prevent any printer issue caused by counterfeit products. Then when removing the terminal contact cover, please avoid touching on the gold terminal contact connectors to prevent to static the product and lower its lifespan or damage the parts. Then open the front access door of the printer. And when the printhead carriage doesn't move into the center, you can manually pull the printhead carriage. Just rotate the white gear on the right side of the printer main roller. Then right after, we can now pull and position the printhead carriage into the center. Then push down the blue latch to unlock the printhead carriage. Then right after, we can now remove the defective printhead. Then just insert to install the new color printhead. Then push down the blue latch to lock the printhead carriage. Then close the front access door of your printer. Then ensure to load an A4 size of paper on its paper tray, because it will automatically print the alignment page after installing the new printhead. So just wait on it until it finishes printing the alignment page. And then after it finishes printing the alignment page, place the alignment page into your printer's flatbed scanner according to its guide. Then press the mono copy button. Then after, wait the printhead alignment finishes and the A on screen turns into 0. When printhead alignment is done, the power indicator will become stable or steady. Then now, since the power indicator becomes steady, we will now run a print quality check to see its printout quality. And this is now the print quality after we've replaced the color printhead. And that's how simple it is to replace the printhead for this HP SmartTank 520 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.